what a difference 150 miles makes. So ridden back from Walters Arena, which is just at the bottommost part of the Brecon Beacons, and it has been torrential rain pretty much all the time, and then I come home and the weather's like this. And it's such a shame because we were riding through absolutely beautiful areas, and it was still beautiful. It's just bleak and dreek if you're Scots, because there was so much mist, and it would have been amazing to have had the sun out like this, and we could have seen all the views and the passes that we were riding through and down and around and up and over, and it was absolutely brilliant. It was a really good event, actually, really good event. Would I improve upon it? A couple more sit-down toilets for the men, because there was two sit-downs and 6 urinals. A lot of people stayed off site. Don't blame them, to be honest, because little sleep was had any night, to be honest, because it was just tipping it down, hammering the tents. Some of the staff were flooded out of their tents. I think it was a bit odd and a bit off that they were made to camp, because they're meant to be on the ball. So, having them experience the adventure like we were, I don't think it was fair, really. They're volunteers and they're full-time employees, and they're standing around out in the rain helping us constantly, shifting bikes, lifting bikes, running after people. So I think them having somewhere good to kip would have been a good idea. On-site catering, absolutely brilliant. There was like a barbecue thing with pulled pork, chicken, beef brisket, sweet corn on the cob. That was good. Then there was an excellent, basically a butty van. So sausages and bacon, baps and all that. Free cup of tea with each bacon or sausage bap or bacon and bap. They were about £5 each. We had the whole hog, which was from the barbecue. That was £15, and that was a lot of food, actually. That was really good. There was a pizza van, which was also very good. Prices ranging from about £10 for a plain margarita up to, I think it was £14, and I think they were 12-inch pizzas. But again, they were flame fired, ready really quickly, very good. We had Gower Gold, which is a local brewery apparently, so they had lager and cider there. A little bit on the steep side, to be honest. £5.50 a pint, especially when you've got a captive market like that. You're guaranteed sales, so I think you could have dropped the prices a bit on there. And then there was a tea, coffee and cocktail place as well, which also did a roaring trade. And that was it for on site. They had some live music, don't know what it was, didn't listen to it. I think it was some sort of rocky thing. Could do with some heaters, to be honest. I'm absolutely honest. I know that last year temperatures were in the 30s, but this year they were nowhere near that. And because everyone was wet, then you got the chill factor a lot. And I did feel sorry for people who were in Walters Arena yesterday doing the off-road trials, because unless they moved everything, we absolutely mullered that area between Saturday's morning and afternoon groups. Would have absolutely trashed it. Although apparently there's one part where you ride off-road into woods and over moss and everything, and they were saying that the mud mulched so you could get down to the roots. So whereas we were kind of scrambling over the mud and everything, yesterday morning the bikes were just sinking into the mulch and the mush, and were able to just go. So yeah, that was interesting. Better camping site would be good. Walters Arena is apparently a converted open cast mine. So one field was just ruts, and people tried camping there, and I was like, no, this isn't flat enough. And mate Darren was like, no. So I found another area. We got the pegs in and everything, and in the end, there's a little bit of hard work trying to bash past all the stones and stuff. So maybe a slightly better campsite. Heaters, gas heaters, you know, just turn them on, everyone stays warm. That would have been good. What else? The staff themselves, brilliant, spot on. All up for a laugh, all up for a chat. Lots of banter, heckling, the whole lot. So I always say, if you're thinking about doing it, do it. You're only going to lose money, maybe a handguard, dignity, and get lost quite a lot. Come on. Mutt's home. Glad to see you now. But yeah, do the GS challenge. You'll come away having learned something. You'll come away having ridden. I think we did 144 miles around the Black Mountains and the Brecon Beacons. And we met people, chatted to them. So it was all really good. Heartily recommend it. Bravo, BMW.